Hey, I'm Agnes. Want to lighten with both intuition and precision, opening new avenues of self-expression? Here are 5 steps to consider for freehand techniques. The first step is the sectioning. Be sure to consider the haircut, the way the hair falls, and the desired amount of lightening when deciding on the sectioning method and technique. The second step, it's all about parting, such as slicing, weaving and zigzag. The parting is an important part of the freehand techniques. For bright and bold results, consider the slicing technique. Weaving is perfect for delicate and subtle highlights. And with the zigzag, you can create a soft fusion of color. With the third step, you'll decide whether to do backcombing or not. It always gives a soft transitions between natural and lightened areas. In the fourth step, you can design the blending pattern with different placements of LightDimensions SilkLift Clay. Variations of horizontal blending can be done with a different regrowth length, depending on the desired result. Variation with V-shape blending will create lighter shades at the ends and with some highlight effects closer to the regrowth. Choose your tools according to the desired application method. These are some of the options. For precise application on smaller sections, use the Goldwell color brush. Use a balayage brush for faster application on larger sections. The balayage boards add stability during the application. Or blend SilkLift Clay with the palm of your hand or with your fingers. This technique allows for a more organic, customized result with the soft transitions between the shades. The back of your other hand can be used as a support for fast applications and seamless blending. The result of this technique: subtle gradients, soft edges and realistic shading effect. And with the fifth step, you decide on the saturation. The amount of applied product mass will affect the result. Surface application is sufficient for finer hair types. For more lightness on denser hair types, apply on both sides. The maximum lightening result can be achieved by working the clay mass directly in the hair strand with your hands. If you want to learn more about Goldwell color techniques and find more education and inspiration, check out the Goldwell Education Plus YouTube channel or download the Goldwell Education Plus app. Follow, like, share and subscribe. See you there!